Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by ensuring a working internet connection and that you can sign in. Open Settings, tap Accounts, then add account and choose Google. Enter your email and password, complete two-step verification if asked, and accept permissions. This links the account to the device. Once done, make sure device security prompts are set because Android requires basic protection to allow full sync. This step creates the account entry you'll manage in the next phase, so don't skip signing in and confirming permissions. Now you'll control what actually syncs and why it matters. Tap the Google account entry under Accounts, then open Sync Settings and toggle each service you want to keep updated: Contacts, Calendar, Gmail, Drive, Photos, and so on. Use Sync Now to force an immediate upload/download and watch the status icons for progress. Make sure Auto Sync data is enabled at the system level so changes sync automatically. Otherwise, you'll need to manually trigger Sync Now each time. These choices finish by verifying synced content in core apps. Open Gmail, Contacts, and Drive to confirm recent items are present. If something isn't syncing, go back to the account sync screen and tap Sync Now. If that fails, clear cache for Google Play Services and Google Play Store, then reboot. Make sure battery optimization isn't blocking background sync for these apps. As a last resort, remove the account and add it again. This resets credentials and often resolves stubborn sync errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.